Be it a big corporate or a smaller concern, there are lots of barriers to change in supply relationships in Japan. Frankly, we have few levers at our disposal as a result. The one thing that companies fear in common, though, is getting left behind by their competitors. The globalization of business has meant these harmonious relationships between supplier and buyer are getting shaken up. Just explaining the details, benefits, quality, and pricing advantage of the solution you provide are not enough. We need to lob some dynamite into their current cozy little supply arrangements by bringing up their exposure to being blindsided by a competitor. We need to remind them that the best solution will win in the market, or at least reduce their market share. We need to point out that in a competitive industry, no one cares about the depth of the existing relationships because they are fully focused on their survival. Rivals will make key supplier changes, and these will trigger changes across the industry as everyone else has to adjust accordingly. By getting ahead of the curve, they can win time to adjust and win market share for themselves vis-a-vis their rivals.